Divisional Public School and Inter College, Model Town and Township, Lahore. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Here is your teacher Shazia Awan. I'll teach social studies to nursery class. My lovable pupils, Assalamu alaikum. You geared up to memorize next 5 questions of social studies. Let's take a start. Question number 13. Which is our national language? Which is our national language? You definitely know its answer. Urdu. Now repeat after me. Urdu. Let's try it really loud. Urdu. Fantastic. Question number 14. Which is our national dress? Which is our national dress? Its answer is shalwar kameez. Now repeat after me. Here we go. Shalwar kameez. Let's try it really loud. Shalwar kameez. What a stunning dress they are wearing. Question number 15. Which is our national game? Which is our national game? Its answer is hockey. Repeat after me. Hockey. Let's try it really loud. Hockey. You've got it. You are amazing. I love to watch hockey matches. Do you? Question number 16. Which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Its answer is jasmine. Repeat it after me. Jasmine. Now try it really loud. Jasmine. Great job. Subhanallah. It's wonderful to see jasmine in full bloom. Question number 17. Do you brush your teeth daily? Do you brush your teeth daily? Its answer is yes, I do twice a day. Repeat it after me. Yes, I do twice a day. Say it quietly. Yes, I do twice a day. Let's try it really loud. Yes, I do twice a day. It's astounding. You've learnt it by heart.
Morning, every night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. In the morning, in the night.
My sweet stars, Allah Hafiz and stay blessed.